Tight hips, stiff lower back, legs feel heavy? Let's unlock all of it right now. This isn't just a stretch, it's how you restore ease, unlock energy, and reconnect with your power before the day even begins. And when that one deep opener kicks in, you'll feel your body breathe in a whole new way. Let's hit the mat. Start with your feet slightly wider than hip width, toes pointed out, drop into a deep squat, elbows pressing into your knees, chest lifted. Breathe. This one move gives your hips, knees, and ankles the wake-up call they've been waiting for. I promise you, the deeper you breathe here, the more tension your hips will release, and that groggy feeling in your legs will start to vanish. Beginners, keep your heels slightly elevated if needed. Advanced stretches, rock gently side to side for deeper engagement. Here's a fun fact: couches that use squatting daily have significantly less hip and knee issues. Hold it 5 more seconds. Challenge yourself to drop 1 inch lower. Do you feel that stretch deep in the hips? That's where today's transformation begins. That just opened the door. Now let's unlock the inside. Sit with your knees bent, feet flat and wider than hip width. Drop your right knee towards your left foot, then come back to center and drop your left knee towards your right foot. Slowly alternate. You're giving your hips something they rarely get: rotation from the inside. I promise this will reset your joint mobility and ease that tight all the time feeling around your pelvis. Beginners, keep the motion small. Advanced stretches, lean back slightly and increase the angle. Most people stretch externally, but internal rotation is what stabilizes your low body. Give me 5 more smooth transitions side to side. Does one side feel more limited? That's the one your body needs most today. Now that your hips are awake, let's put some movement into them. Come to a tall kneeling position, hips stacked over knees. Sit back onto your heels, then thrust the hips forward to return upright. It's simple, but don't underestimate it. This will challenge your core, your balance, and your hip mobility. I promise this will energize your lower body and teach your hips how to move with control. Beginners, place a cushion under your knees. Advanced stretches, squeeze your glutes at the top for extra activation. This move also gently opens the hip flexors, key for those who sit all day. 5 more reps. Can you move slower and more controlled? Are you feeling your hips support you, or your quads are doing all the work? That just connected strength with mobility. Now let's add a stretch. From a tall kneeling position, step your right leg out to the side. Foot flat. Reach your right arm overhead and lean toward the extended leg. Feel the entire side body stretch from your hip to your fingertips. I promise this one will melt away tightness you didn't even realize was holding you back. Beginners, keep the bend small. Advanced stretches, sink deeper into the side stretch, keeping chest lifted. Side bends release tension stored in the obliques, often ignored but deeply impactful. Can you stretch just a half inch further? Feel that length pulling through your torso? That's your power center waking up. That just released your side body. Now let's finish with control and flow. Stand tall, reach your right arm overhead and lean gently to the left. Come back to center, then repeat to the other side. This stretch links everything we've opened, from hips to shoulders. I promise this will lengthen your posture, improve your breath, and help you walk out of the session taller than you came in. Beginners, bend knees slightly to ease pressure. Advanced stretches, add a slight backward lean for more stretch through the front body. Side bending improves spinal flexibility and digestion. Yes, digestion. Last challenge. Hold each side 5 seconds longer than you want to. Did you notice your breath deepen on the last stretch? You just gave your hips, spine, and core a full body reset before breakfast. That's a win. But if your day includes hours of sitting, your body's going to need more than this one flow. That's why I created the 3-day reset, a free plan to keep you loose, aligned, and strong all day long. Tap the link in the description or pin comment before that tension creeps back in. You started the day right, let's keep that momentum together.